Okay, this is the unboxing video for the new Samson C01U Pro. This is the new version of the old Samson C01. So I'm going to do, after this video, some audio tests to test for things like audio quality and noise. So as you can see, extremely professional box as you'd expect from Samson. Okay, there is the rather thick instruction manual, owner's manual there. And here is the C01U Pro. One of the main differences on the outside is the addition of the headphone jack, which the original C01U did not have. And as you can see, it already comes with a microphone stand connector. There's the USB cable to connect it to your computer. And here is the included desk tripod that you just screw into the mount. Then you just plug it in to your computer and you're ready to go.